Hello my friends, I am very excited to share this month's stamp set with you. It is so much fun because it is a food. Now I wonder what food it is. It's actually one of my favorite foods, French fries. Are you ready for this? Let's check it out. And oh, look, can you see Cook? Cookie's sleeping, she's just resting. So everybody always says whenever I visit everybody out on the convention route, they always say, oh, we never see Cookie or we never see Cheerio. So Cookie decided to sleep behind me today. Usually she sleeps at my feet, so you'll get to watch her every once in a while. And she's just kind of hanging out, so whatever. Okay, so here it is, yay! It's called French Fries to Stamp. And it's really fun. Now this one says, wishing you a supersized birthday. That is a separate stamp. So this stamp here, the box, is separate from this part here. Then you have the French fries, and then life is better with French fries. I love you more than French fries. I will always share my fries with you. If you are what you eat, then I must be a French fry. And I have to warn you, you must check out our website on the 7th of this month, or just check out below what is coordinating with this stamp set, because there are some fun things coming that match this stamp set, which are very exciting. I just have to warn you, because there's one saying on here that is my favorite in the whole wide world. Okay, let me share my samples. Oh, and Die Hard members, I almost forgot. Die Hard members, of course, you have dies that match, which are really fun. Now you have some separate French fries that are individual French fries, and then you have the box, and then you have the shadow for the French fries, and then you have this piece, and it has a lot of holes in it, but don't worry, the holes don't cut out. And what that is it kind of embosses just a little tiny bit the French fries, just to give them a little bit more kind of definition, which is really fun. Are you ready to see some of my samples? My design team is amazing as always, and look at this one. Now, of course, it goes perfect with the salt shaker because, you know, French fries and salt, it's like they go together. It's like they're a perfect marriage, right? And this one says, if you are what I eat, then I must be a French fry. And it's fun with those dies, you get those separate French fries, which are lots of fun. This one's cute. I love you more than French fries. Look at this one. Wishing you a supersized birthday. Here's another one. Happy birthday, wishing you a supersized birthday. Perfect on the step-up cards especially. Oh, and the flip-it cards. Look at this one. This is on the gift card one. Open it up and look at that. There's a gift card inside, which is so fantastic. Here's another one. I will always share my fries with you. Cute. And another flip-it. Now it doesn't the fries don't have to go on the flip-it. They can go on the side, and that's a sneak peek, and I'm not even gonna say a word, but there's a sneak peek to something else. And look at this one. I love you more than French fries, with our ticket to stamp down below. If you are what you eat, dun, 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 then I must be a French fry. Life is better with French fries. And I will always share my fries with you. Isn't that adorable? Now, don't forget to check out our idea gallery on our website, because we have lots of ideas on there as well. Also, don't forget there's another video that's being released today as well that has a lot of other fun products on it that might just coordinate with this stamp set, so go check that out as well. And one of them is a flash sale item for one day only, so that is for March 1st of 2016. So if you're watching that then, go check it out. Now, club members, of course, yours is already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early and gets those out in the mail to you. If you're a Die-Hard member, you're getting the dies that match. And if you're not a club member, you need to check out our website and find out how awesome our club is, because you get lots of discounts, you get automatic shipments, and the best part is you get stuff sent to you automatically, which is so much fun. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.
Shadow in the black light, looking over, taste the good life. Cause even though you got it, it's never like you got it on your own. Your street light, standing foolish in the late night, taste the coolest. Cause even though you got it, it's never like you got it